Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, I'll show you how to set up hot corners on your MacBook in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Open System Preferences. Click on the Apple menu, in the top left corner of the screen. Select System Preferences. Step 2. Access Mission Control. Click on Mission Control. Step 3. Configure Hot Corners. Click on the Hot Corners button at the bottom left of the window. In the pop-up window, click the drop-down menu for each corner to select an action, e.g., Desktop, Mission Control, Screen Saver. Step 4. Assign Actions. Choose the desired action for each of the 4 corners. Click OK to save your settings. Step 5. Test Hot Corners. Move your mouse to each corner to test the assigned actions. And that's it. You've set up hot corners on your MacBook. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.